Here are wild birds. These wild birds have colonized. They have put their colony within the palm tree. Those are their colonies, their houses, their nests, let me say. Their nests. They look so beautiful. And you can see they are quite running up and down as they struggle to get their right, nest, since the sun is setting, and some are even mating. They are in a characteristical experiment of mating. Mating is one of the activities they do, which facilitates reproduction. These birds, in some dialect, they're called, in one of the African languages, it is called chua-kilo. Chua-kilo, there are some chua-kilos that are yellow, and there are some chua-kilos that are red, and some are gray in colors, but these ones here, they're the yellow ones. So these birds, majority of them are making new houses because all the houses have worn out. You can see they are removing the leaves of these palm trees to facilitate the making of their new nests. They don't use any materials out of this palm tree. You can see this is so incredible. These chua-kilos are hard workers. These birds, these wild birds. You can see this is very captivating really. It's very attractive and beautiful. You can see how they struggle to make the nest. And they're also hard workers. There are many numbers. See how they are. You can see. They move. You can see. They move. You can see. The other one here is a flower. The beautiful flower which is next to the palm tree.